Ford again sets the fashion with the three graces, the new Zodiac, the new Zephyr, and the new Consul. Each has the new Ford line, longer, lower, even more elegant. The new Consul, Zephyr, and Zodiac are not only more beautiful, they embody the latest advances to give you better motoring in every way. The beautiful styling of the new interiors spells comfort and elegance in every line. The wide, curved windscreen makes driving easier, safer. Beautiful from every angle, the new Ford Consul offer the motoring you have dreamed about at costs you can afford.